Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful berry breakfast parfait. I have got beautiful in-season berries here. I've got raspberries and blueberries, but you can use any berries you like. And I've got some homemade chia jam. This is a mixed berry chia jam. I've shown you how to make strawberry and raspberry in the past. 3 ingredients, really super easy to make. I'll leave links to that in the information cards and down below as well to make your own berry jam, or you could use any jam that you like. And I've got yogurt. Now, depending on your dietary requirements and your lifestyle, you might want full fat, you might want coconut, you might want low carb, really up to you, whatever yogurt you like. I've just got this lovely rich organic Rachel's luscious vanilla yogurt, and that's what I'm going to use. Just keep it nice and simple to balance all the lovely berry flavors. So let's get on and make our parfait. Now it's totally up to you what order you want to do this in. I'm going to start with a few teaspoons of my jam at the bottom so it all mixes through in the end. So we're going to have jam at the bottom, and next we'll add a little portion of yogurt. And a handful of blueberries. I like to just color code it, do red, white, blue, however you like. There you go, it's starting to take shape. I love the little defined layers. So next we'll add a bit more yogurt. Just a little smothering of yogurt. And finally we'll top it with some fresh raspberries to finish off our berry breakfast parfait. But it's really up to you. You can include any berries you like. You can add some chia seeds, some nuts if you like. It's totally up to you. I've already got chia seeds in the berry jam down the bottom, but yep, that is it. Look at that lovely berry parfait, all the layers in between. This makes a great snack, a great dessert, or really a great breakfast too. Just add some, as I said, nuts to it, some chia seeds, whatever you like. But that is the short and sweet video for today for this berry breakfast parfait. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know what you enjoy in your breakfast parfait. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.